So today I want to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. I'll walk through how to do this on desktop as well as inside of the YouTube Studio app. I'll put timestamps below so you can jump ahead if you need to. I do want to let you know about a few of the implications of changing your name. If you have a verification badge, it will remove that until you get re-verified under the new name. And you are able to change your name twice in 14 days. So make sure that, you know, when you're picking something, that it's definitely something that you want to go with. Other things to keep in mind are definitely your audience recognition. If you're changing your name and you're pivoting, you know, just keep in mind that people who are searching for your content aren't going to be able to find your content anymore. With that, let's jump in. All right. So first we'll do this from the desktop YouTube Studio. So open up your channel dashboard, and over here, we're going to go over to customization and just scroll down, and your channel name will be right here. Again, you can change your name twice in 14 days. And once you change this, you would just hit this publish button here. I'm not going to change this channel. You can also change your handle. If you're changing your name, maybe you want your handle to match that as well. Also keep in mind that this is going to change the link associated with your channel. There's a lot of other things here that you can add, but I know we're specifically looking for changing the name. So with that, let's jump over to the mobile experience. Inside of the YT Studio app, what you would do is hit your icon, your little face, your profile in the upper right hand side of the screen. And then really simply just hit this edit button here. And now I can edit my name here, or I can edit the handle right below it. So two easy ways, desktop and mobile. Guys, if this helps, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.